Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the battery on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is draining way too fast. So the first thing that you can do is enable the power saving mode by pulling down the quick settings menu and tapping on power saving icon right here. If you hold your finger down on it, you will enter the power saving settings where you can learn what exactly this mode does to your smartphone, like limiting your CPU speed to 70%, turning off always on display mode, decreasing brightness by 10%, and setting motion smoothness to standard, etc. Now, besides, what we can also do is limit system haptics or disable them completely by going to sounds and vibration menu in settings, then going to system vibration and disabling vibration feedback on our phone. Also go to connections, then go to mobile networks, select network mode, and then change the 5G preferred to LTE preferred. Now, besides, check if there are any available software updates for your smartphone. Tap download and install and check if your smartphone has any software update prepared for you. And if it does, then let it download and install it. And keeping your device up to date basically helps your software stay in touch with its hardware, and this is a very good thing in this case. Now, besides, don't forget to restart your phone from time to time by pressing power button and volume down key at the same time, selecting restart and letting your phone refresh. This will help your system stay optimized. Besides, turn off the recent applications from time to time on your smartphone. And that's all the tips for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.